To operate a plant, lots of different data need to be collected and evaluated. With this overload of information, it's easy to lose track. Not with WaterExpert. This mobile platform allows you to consolidate all your information in a user-friendly format. Access documents and media for your entire plant. Add all of your equipment and organize media to suit your own preferences. Use the barcode scanner for easy access to relevant information. Keep an eye on your plant. Monitor plant operations easily with live data measurements. Enter measurements and all the information from your operator rounds in the app. Use trend charts for performance analysis and reporting. The app will send alerts by email or SMS if your user-defined control levels are exceeded or not met. Especially practical, detailed solutions and documents from the knowledge database can be stored for all alerts. The app also makes it easy to create and manage maintenance schedules. Maintenance notifications also appear on your device. You can watch do-it-yourself maintenance videos and share your expert knowledge by uploading your own video. Everything at a glance? Map your equipment so that you can share maintenance and troubleshooting with others. You need support? Send in your requests, including photos and videos, at any time. All your data is stored on a secure server. All of your knowledge, all in one place. WaterExperts, reliable plant management from EnviroChemie. Download now.